Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel document using a password. So maybe you want to protect your documents because you have some vital information right there that you don't want someone to see. You don't want people snooping around your document. So you can use a password to protect your documents that when someone wants to open that document, they will need a password to open it. So to do that, you are going to head over to your files button right here, and then you are going to click on info. So when you click on info, the first option you find there is the protect workbook button. So when you click on the protect workbook, so you find more options at the bottom. With the first one, you can set your documents to a read-only document. You can encrypt the whole document with a password. So with the protect current sheet, you can protect a particular sheet on the workbook. So with the protect workbook structure, you can protect your document structure from being changed. That is, you can protect people from adding or removing sheets that make up your workbook. So you have different options right there to work with. So what you're looking for is the encrypt with password button. This will protect the whole document with a password. So whenever someone wants to open this document, the person will need a password to access the documents. So you are going to hit on that. So after clicking on the encrypted password, you get this little window right here. At the bottom of it, you get a caution note warning you that if you lose the password to this document, the password that you're about to set, you will not be able to recover the document. So do well to keep your password in a place, or use a password that you can remember, or to be on the safer side, you can write the password somewhere where no one can reach, so that whenever you need the password or whenever you forget the password, you can go back there and remind yourself, or you can go back there and check. So right now you can insert the document password right here. So I'm going to type in, let's say, tutorial, tutorial. So after typing the password, you're going to click on the OK button. So again, it will ask you to enter the password to confirm. So I'm going to do that again, tutorial, and then I'm going to click on OK. So that's it, guys. This document is now protected with the password. So if I close the document, I click on save. I have it on my desktop right there. So if I click on it to open, so as you can see, I cannot access the document without the password. So it's asking me to input a password. So I'm going to simply input the password. So that's it, guys. That's how to protect your documents on Excel using a password. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.